सो यू कैन राइट दिस 8 पर n. इसको भी आप 2-3 तरीके से कर सकते हो, मैं एक ही तरीका बताता हूँ. आई विल जस्ट शो यू वन वे एंड लेटर यू कैन ट्राई इन योर होम. So you can write it's like b then b2n, one way. Okay, first b then b2n. Another is 8 per n b2n then b. Okay, both are same. You can break. You are doing the break here. Again it's saying it is double, so b is here double. Okay, and after that you will get b. So here only you can do, after that getting by b you should accept it. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या था, ए एन बी 2n होना चाहिए, अब उसके बाद बी आना चाहिए. ठीक है, यहाँ बी इप्सिलॉन, देखिए कर देता हूँ मैं. सो नाउ इट्स इन विथ बी. देयर व्हेन इट वाज एक्सेप्टिंग इप्सिलॉन, नाउ इन प्लेस ऑफ इप्सिलॉन आई विल राइट बी. सो करते हैं उसे. ए जेड, जेड रिप्लेस बाई जेड ए देन ए रिप्लेस बाई ए. ठीक है, एनी नंबर ऑफ ए आई हैव इंसर्टेड. So single not, I will do triple. Okay, so I am doing a to n. When I am getting a, I am doing a to n. Okay, taking its double, then b a pop, then q1 b a pop, b a top, then b will get z, replace with z, accept it. See, this is also correct. One can also do after going to this by getting, can make it q2. Now by getting epsilon, z replaced by z. This also you can do. Both are correct. Any number of a when we are getting, I am pushing on the stack. Now by getting b, a, by getting b, the top of the stack is a pop, b a pop. Now at the end, now you will get b. Okay, you know at the end you are going to get b. The top of the stack is z. You will replace with z. Now in GATE exam, what they do, after you reach Q2, you can make this as a final state. So after this, even if you are getting epsilon, you are replacing z with z and you are accepting it. Okay, this is also correct. Here also, if you want to make the final state, you can do it. In GATE exam, what they do, they assume they will give 4 options. Some questions are there in GATE. What they will do, they will give some transition. There it was having a b z replaced by z. We were accepting here the final state. Okay. In some question there you have to assume something when you reach the final state, like BA. Okay, this only BA. If they will give you some options like BA, C, D, E. Okay, string is C, string is D, string is E, and string is here BA. Now they are asking which is the string accepted by this DF, this PDA. Okay, this PDA. So initial state Q0, by getting B, it is replacing z by z and it reaching a. Now qf by a, it is not having any transition, it will go to date configuration. Q0 by c, not having any transition, date configuration. D, no transition, date. E, no transition, date configuration. But in GATE exam, they assume that when you reach, if this kind of options you are having, then if you reach to the final state, after that whatever you are getting, it will consume it. So you have to say that B is getting accepted. This is in some question you have to assume that since you have reached in the final state and after getting anything you will consume it. If the options are like that, then only you have to assume. If I will change the option, like if I will make it B, C, D and BA, then B is only going to be the correct option. Okay, because here B accepted but BA date configuration. Am I clear? क्या मैं बोल रहा हूँ, समझ में आ रहा आप लोगों को? ऑप्शन देख के आपको एज्यूम करना होगा. कुछ ऑप्शंस में अगर आप फाइनल स्टेट में पहुंच गए, उसके बाद कुछ भी आएगा तब एज्यूम करना होगा कि आप उसे कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो अब उस ऑप्शंस को फाइनल, उसे आप एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए जब बाकी सारे ऑप्शंस रिजेक्ट हो रहे हैं. लेकिन अगर ये एक्सेप्ट हो रहा है जो डेफिनेशन के अनुसार, तो उसे एक्सेप्ट कीजिए, और बी ए जैसे ये इसे रिजेक्ट कीजिए. क्लियर है क्या? गेट में ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा गया इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. So that's why, to be in safe side, you try to give a epsilon move at the last and construct one move. Even for some of the question I have make here only final state. So in the book in Peter Lynch only they have told that it is correct only, but in GATE exam they use that. Okay.